Hello there, welcome back to our channel. For today's video I will show you how to fix the error Windows cannot find Adobe Installer.exe. The error message is typically associated with Adobe software installations. This error can occur if the installer is unable to locate the Adobe Installer.exe file in the specified directory. What is Adobe Installer.exe and why it is important in Adobe Creative Cloud apps? Adobe Installer.exe is a process associated with the Adobe Installer. It's used to install various Adobe software on your computer. It is an essential component of the Adobe Creative Cloud, facilitating the installation, updating, and troubleshooting of Adobe Creative Cloud apps. It helps to keep your Adobe applications up to date and running smoothly. If Adobe Installer.exe is missing, this is what happens. To confirm this error, let's check its source directory. Confirmed, the file is non-existent. Watch this video until the end to know the easiest solution for this problem. This is how to solve this problem and bring back your Adobe Installer.exe. First things first, make sure you are connected to the internet when doing this. First, open the Adobe Creative Cloud application and sign out from your account. Signing out from your Adobe Creative Cloud account will make sure all the needed files during the process will not be used by Adobe Creative Cloud dependent applications. When signing out is successful, close the Adobe Creative Cloud application. Make sure it is not running on your system tray. Next, go to the Start menu and type Add or Remove Programs. On the list of installed applications, hover over Adobe Creative Cloud. On the right-hand side of the screen, click the three dots to reveal the options. Then click on Install. A dialog box will appear. When a dialog box appears, choose Repair. Once the button Repair is clicked, Adobe will try to download fresh files from their server and reinstall the Adobe Creative Cloud application. This process will replace the missing Adobe Installer.exe. This might take some time depending on the speed of your internet connection. Next, when the repairing process is complete, reopen the Adobe Creative Cloud application through the Start menu. Before we re-sign in, let's check if we have already Adobe Creative Cloud.exe. So, upon checking, it is confirmed that the missing Adobe Installer.exe was replaced during the repair process. After checking, proceed to log into your Adobe Creative Cloud account. After logging in, click Updates on the leftmost part of the Adobe Creative Cloud Applications interface. In this tutorial, we successfully updated Adobe Photoshop after doing the process. Let's try to update Adobe Illustrator again. So, as you can see, the error is gone, and Adobe Illustrator is now updating. Thank you for watching until next time.